Day 7 for our 15 days, 15 reminders for voters during the election. So the seventh tip or the seventh reminder is please do not show your filled up ballots to any other person. So after nyong bumoto, after nyong mag-shade, at sure na kayo sa binoto ninyo, before you insert your ballot into the ACM or to the automated counting machine, please ensure na hindi nyo ipapakita yung ballot nyo to any other person in the room. Wag na wag nyo ipakita yung ballot nyo. Sabi nga natin, the security and the sanctity of your votes must be protected. Kasi pag pinapakita nyo yan sa ibang tao, no, sinisira mo yung sanctity ng boto mo. So please do not show your filled up ballots to any other person. Pahabol, that is an election offense. So meron niyang kaakibat na criminal liability or pagkakakulong. Yun lamang po. Thank you.